The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this.
Okay, it's Sunday. I'm not even sure what day it is. It's Father's Day. It's Sunday the 16th. And I am about to get picked up to go to church. I stayed in a roadway inn in Ogallala last night. And let me fill everybody in on what the trip's turning into. I jumped from the middle of, well, from about the first third of Iowa to the last third of Iowa and skipped the middle third. I had somebody Scott convince me that all I'm missing is a bunch more flat and a bunch more corn. And after having driven through it, he's right. There's not a lot of significant historical museums or anything like that that I was going to see in that middle one-third. It was just getting the experience of walking it. And I hate skipping over any of it because now I really can't say I've walked the Mormon Pioneer Trail, even, you know, and I don't know if I could say that legitimately still, because I had some help during rainstorms and, you know, stuff like that. And so anyway, it's raining today. The Midwest gets so much rain. It is so unbelievable how much it rains here. I'm going to pan around. You can see the rain clouds everywhere, and it's raining. I'm getting ready to go to church. I'll get some more of what's going on, and by skipping over this part, this means I have to do about 20 miles a day. This cuts my distance down so that hopefully as this foot heals, I'm not having to put 30-mile days on this foot. And anyway, less ambitious, but I'm also getting into the tough part of the trip. I'm going to be hitting mountains and stuff and getting to see. I'm hitting an area called the Sand Hills. I'm going to be up at the state park tonight, sleeping in the tent in the rain probably, but I'm looking forward to it and getting back on the trail. And okay, I'm in a museum in Ogallala, and it's a pretty cool museum. They've got all kinds of stuff here. Here's a jail and a barber shop, and they've got a little bit about the Mormon Trail here, and what they've got kind of a little bit of it not correct and stuff. They've got that over the course of the thing there were 3,000 immigrants came across, and the actual number on the first immigration trail was closer to 30,000. There was probably 60,000 overall. But there's the little bit about trails west, the Oregon Trail, the Mormon Trail, the Pony Express Trail. And there's actually the California Trail comes through here too. The 49ers came this same route when they were heading out. There's evidently a lot of petrified wood. I went to a petrified wood museum a while ago, and it's gorgeous. There were some beautiful pieces of petrified wood. And anyway, I've been just walking around in this museum and kind of looking. I'm kind of trying to take it easy on my foot today and everything. This is the gift shop. And so, okay, I'm at the ruts just north of Sutherland. And if you look, I'm going to see if I can stick my finger in the front of the picture. Right here, you'll see there's 3 big indentions. And these are where the wagons wore out the sand while they were coming down these hills and stuff. And so these are actually the ruts that the Mormons made. There's 3 sets here in passing. The person that gave me a lift up here to show me this said that when they were doing the reenactment here, one of the wagons tipped over here on TV and everything. But this is the Mormon ruts north of Sutherland. Okay, here's Lake McConaughy, right kind of next to my camp. It'd be perfect if it wasn't for the fact that right behind me, see, there's my little tent. and there's a train track. So periodically, ever so often, this noisy train comes through, and since I'm not very far from where you cross the train track, the nice cottonwood forest, when it gets there, it has to blow its horn for about 2 minutes, and so kind of a noisy campsite, but it's pretty, I'll say that. And it's nice. It doesn't have any water other than the lake, and so I had to use my filter to get enough water, and I think I've got enough water for tomorrow, so I can hike out of here tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm heading to, I don't know, probably Oshkosh, maybe Llewellyn. Depends on how far I feel like hiking. I may be sleeping on the side of the road again. Who knows? I have almost no phone service, and that's another slight disadvantage of this campsite. I have gotten back into hill country, and so I will be huffing it up and down hills tomorrow and everything. So anyway, I will keep you posted. Okay, this is Scotty's Porta Potties, and I want you to notice that there's about a foot tall gap under the door right here. And I'm not going to go over there and open that door again because it's kind of spooky inside. And evidently, what that feature's for, that's so when a storm blows in, the raccoons can have a place to get in and out of the storm. And so right now, currently, the porta potty is occupied by a family of very angry raccoons. And anyhow, what a dumb feature. That's all I gotta say.